Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 4,910. We expected crude oil to stay in buying, maintaining 4,820 as support. So the price came down a bit and took support near 4,880s and tried to create a new high around 4,955 and 45 and close near 4,940. Today it's expected to open somewhere within 940 and 950. So there is no change in our strategy. Still you can expect crude oil to stay in buying. Still you can go for buying till 4,860 by placing stop loss near 4,850, expecting that the price can go and hit 5,000 levels. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.